In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Squarespace website. There's no real way to do this. Squarespace doesn't have versioning, but there are a couple of tricks that I use as a Squarespace designer, and I recommend that you use for your website or your client sites. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator, and if you are following along with my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, welcome back. If you haven't grabbed a copy of that checklist yet, it's everything I recommend you check on your Squarespace website before or after you launch, and I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. All right, I'm logged into my Squarespace dashboard. Yours probably looks something like this. It might look more like this if you haven't pinned anything, but I am managing a few sites here, so I'm trying to see as many as I can at once. Now, the first thing that I recommend is when your site is ready for you to launch it, I want you to make a duplicate of your website. This way, if anything goes awry, you at least have this duplicate for as long as you have a trial. Now, if you are not a Squarespace Circle member, that's going to be like 2 weeks, which isn't a ton of time, but it's better than nothing. And if you're a Squarespace Circle member, you may have up to a year depending on your Circle member level. So it's a really nice way to preserve a copy of your website at launch. Now, as a Squarespace designer, I do this for every website I build for clients because I love handing off the site to them and letting them make their own edits to the site so they don't have to pay me a maintenance fee or wait until I'm available to make updates. I want to empower them to edit the site themselves, but sometimes they can find themselves going a little far with the design and they're like, oh, I did something weird and I want it back to the way you built it. This way you have a copy of the way that you built it. So I'm going to go down here, and if you click any of these 3 dots, you can go to duplicate website, and it's going to just put a copy of that website right here in your dashboard, and you'll get an email when that copy is ready. Now, in addition to duplicating the website, there is one other thing that I like to do, and that is to take screenshots. So I've duplicated this website, but what if my trial for this ran out and a year and a half later, the client comes back and they're like, I did something and my footer is gone, which has happened. I like to go ahead and make a full page screenshot of this website. So I have a copy of the visual aspects of the site page by page. So when I'm building for clients, when I'm ready to launch, I just go through the website and quickly do a screenshot of each page. Now, to do this, I use a Chrome extension called Go Full Page. I'll drop a link to it below, but it's just gofullpage.com. If you click Get Started, it's free. It's going to walk you through adding it to your Chrome browser. You can see it lives right up here, this tiny little camera icon. Go Full Page is the one that I use. And if I click over here to a client site and I click this, you can see it's scrolling through this page and giving me a lovely screenshot here that I can save as a PDF or a PNG. I normally save these as PNGs and then I use them in mockups and portfolios. So I have an example of exactly how the website looked when I launched it. Super, super handy to have. All right, that was pretty painless. We duplicated our site and we made screenshots of every page so that we have a backup for the future. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment below, or subscribe to the channel. That really helps my channel grow. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.